If you would like to add images, there's definitely one course image you would like to have at the beginning. If you went through the course, you see that usually for each model as an introduction, I have one specific image for the module. It's about infographics and it's about badges. My favorite platform for this to do this is Canva. And if you log into Canva, it's looking like this. So I have here all my different designs. So here's, for example, it's my course image, and I have also written behind in the brackets the, let's say, kind of the requested formats or pixels. So when you start, click create a design. You have here a lot of these social media formats. If you would like to have a Pinterest or LinkedIn banner or Facebook post or poster or logo or anything. But if you want to create, let's say, a course image and Hop or Moodle requests a certain size, you just take open the custom dimensions and you say, okay, I want to have it 1280 pixels to 640 pixels, and it's opening a design page for you. So what is very nice, you can have a look a little bit about templates. Yeah, if something like this already is nice, so you can choose a template to create something, or if you go down there, you could upload your own pictures. Yeah, so you could just add this as a background picture. You move it. Yeah, and have it there, and you just add your logos which you uploaded and put it. So it's quite easy to do, and you can then add elements like, for example, a heading. Yeah, you choose some font for this. So move it around, or you can add more pictures, or you add some other elements for this. So it's a very nice program to try out a few things. One thing, you have here some grids. Grids are interesting if you would like not only to have one picture, which would be this grid, but you would like to have more than one grid. Yeah. So this is, for example, like here. I have to delete this one. So if you, for example, want like to have a course image for your course consists of 3 pictures, you can use this and then add here, for example, your different pictures. Yeah, so you're getting like this, and maybe like this. Yeah. So in that way, you can design very easily your own. So grids, there are a lot. Yeah. So if you, for example, remember the course image uses a grid like this. Yeah. So you have the main picture here, 3 smaller ones there, and the course title, etc. You can do a lot of things with it. So course image. Then I have. So this is my, let's say, my section where I have my pictures for the course module. They have another size. They are, let's say, kind of, they're wide. You can decide on your own. You have it more like in a banner style or more really like a picture. So these are the ones which are, let's say, the beginning, end of the course, first step, plan your course, create your course, publish your course, and all the other course images I created. One thing you've seen also, you can, for the start, it's also, if you learn a little bit with this program, you can also go in and start with infographics. Yeah. So if you go for the templates, so you scroll down, you have some educational infographics, process infographics. So process infographics are maybe kind of nice if you want to have a certain step. And here you see our design process was basically the template I use for the course overview. Not for the course overview, but for the design process. So first step, plan your course. And I added here the same for the infographic to remind you that's the picture for this module. Create your course, it's the same picture, and then publish your course. Yeah. And again, you can add your logos there and create infographics. And the last thing is I used it also to create badges. And it's again, you can have a look at the different elements and grids and shapes you would like to have. So you have here, for example, maybe some frames, yeah, which you already might consider as a template. So I used this one, yeah. I made this 300 pixel to 300 pixel as a size. So put the logo there. So this is, if you completed the course, that's the badge that's including all the other free badges, then kind of the stage of instructional designer. And then I just added here and took the course pictures and made one word about, okay, that's the course planned, that's the course created, and that's the course published for the 3 steps of course creation. Yeah. So this is about Canva. It takes not long to get into it, but it's worth it because you can really create beautiful images for your course.